5 months after a federal jury convicted him of trying to assassinate a Travis County State District Judge, Chimene Onyeri will soon learn his punishment.
He could spend the rest of his life in prison. KXAN's Brittany Glass joins us live from the federal courthouse, where the first day of sentencing just wrapped up.
And Brittany, what happened today?
Well, Robert, Sydney, Chimene Onyeri was allowed to address the court late this afternoon. Before that, Judge Judge Kocurek and her son Will gave powerful statements about what they've been through since that night on November 6th, 2015. They say that their lives will never be the same because they do not feel safe. Judge Kocurek told the federal judge who's overseeing this case that she believes that this sentencing is important because it has to send a message to anyone who wants to attack our justice system that this is not okay. Prosecutors today wanted to present all the evidence they could to convince the judge that Onyeri should be sentenced to life in prison. Nothing was off limits, including questionable brushes with the law in Houston, where Onyeri lived. Chimene Onyeri appeared in person Monday in shackles, facing federal judge Lee Yackel, the man who will decide his fate. The prosecution brought Onyeri's 2 prior murder arrests in Houston center stage. First on the witness stand was an Austin police cold case detective whose job was to examine both homicide cases, one dating back to 2008 and another in 2015. Both murders happened at Houston apartment complexes. The first reportedly the result of a dice game. The victim was 18 years old. The second witness was a sergeant with the Houston Police Department who testified about the 2015 murder. This victim was 29 years old. The deadly shooting happened nearly 6 months before Onyeri ambushed Judge Judge Kocurek in the driveway of her Austin home in the middle of the night. In cross-examination, the defense made it clear witnesses weren't able to identify Onyeri in photo lineups as the shooter in either case. The defense argued both investigations had been dismissed and Onyeri was never convicted in either murder. The victim in this case, Judge Judge Kocurek, has been surrounded by family members sitting by her husband and son today, as well as friends, a number of people in the courtroom to support her. She's been here every single day of the trial back in March and April, all 19 days. Now, Judge Yackel's sentencing is expected after 2 p.m. tomorrow. Reporting live in downtown Austin, Brittany Glass, KXAN News.